Hello guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're brand new here. Today I'm doing a whole house clean and we get so much done in today's video. It is jam-packed with motivation to help you tackle your to-do list as well. Let me know down in the comments if you are cleaning along with me today, and also go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I wanted to start upstairs and work my way down, so I'm starting off in the bedroom today. Just going to make the bed and tidy it all up, sorting out any washing that needs doing and just putting stuff back where it belongs. I'm then also going to go in and give it a dust and a hoover and just freshen it up, ready for the day.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes, and now I'm just pointless without you.
So it's actually become a habit for me now just to shove all of my pyjamas under my bedside table. I did it at the beginning of this video because I'm just on autopilot and I always just shove it under there. So I actually took the time to pull it all out, fold it up and get it put away because it just doesn't belong there, and now this corner looks so much better and decluttered. So I'm now going to go in and give everything a good wipe over using my Pledge polish. Absolutely love this. It smells so homely to me, so I just love using it. I'm just going to wipe down all of the surfaces and get everything nice and fresh.
Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
So it's now time to hoover, and I don't ever hoover the house all in one go. I know a lot of people tidy the house first and then hoover everywhere, but I like the rooms to be finished before I move on to the next one, which includes the hoovering. So I do make sure that I hoover the rooms as I go along instead of doing the whole house. It also breaks up the cleaning as well, and it just makes everything seem a lot more manageable when I do it this way. So I love to just get each room finished before I move on to the next. So it's that time again to go in and give the ensuite a good deep clean. This definitely isn't my favourite thing to do, but it needs to be done. So I'm just going to empty everything out because whenever I'm giving it a good deep clean, I don't like cleaning around things. So I'm just going to empty it out to have a blank canvas to work with, and then I can go in and give everything a good wipe over.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you are all he wants, and it's midnight? Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but
So whenever I'm doing a deep clean in the bathrooms, I usually use the washing up liquid and white vinegar spray to do the shower doors, but I wanted something to be a bit more convenient and just quicker, so I decided to use the flash spray today and see how it turns out. And I was actually really surprised. It left it so clean and it got rid of all of the hard water stains and everything. So whenever I want to do a quicker clean but still a thorough clean, I'm definitely going to be using this flash spray. I used to always just use the Method in the bathrooms, but that is a little bit pricey, so if you are looking for a cheaper alternative, I definitely recommend the Flash.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough, if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now, promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you, if I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything.
I feel so good when the bathroom's finally done, because like I said, it doesn't get done as often as it should, and I've been meaning to do it for the last few days, so I'm really glad that that is something that I can now tick off my list. And it's now time to head through into the laundry room and just do all of the ironing and get everything put away so I can give this room a good hoover and just get it ready for my next wash load.
I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough, if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you, if I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
felt like I had accomplished so much. I had such a productive morning. Upstairs was nice and clean and tidy, and then I walked downstairs to this, and it was a bit gutting, I'm not gonna lie. Usually I do start in the kitchen for this exact reason. I hate having a messy, dirty kitchen, but I really just wanted to get upstairs done so I can then focus on downstairs, and as soon as the kitchen and living room's done, the whole house is complete, because sometimes when I do the kitchen and front room, I just don't have the energy to then move upstairs. But I knew that if I started upstairs, there's no way I could have left the kitchen in this mess. So whenever I'm trying to force myself to do everything, I always start upstairs first, because that way I know that everything is going to get done. So I just need to tidy up the kitchen, do the washing up, because again, I didn't do it before I went to bed. I keep slacking. I need to keep on top of it, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that now so I can give the kitchen a good wipe over.
Eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire.
So once I had all that done, it was time to wipe down the sides, and I do alternate between using my Flash kitchen spray and the Sephora, but I mainly do the Sephora whenever I'm doing all the cupboards and drawers and everything. So they don't need doing today, so I am just going to stick with my Flash because it's just quicker and easier to get everything done without needing to fill the sink up. So I'm just going to give everything a good wipe over, getting rid of any crumbs off the sides and just making sure that it's nice and clean.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you.
So once I had all the washing up put away, I wanted to go in and of course clean the sink down because that's my favourite thing to clean in the kitchen. But I think my kitchen is now one of my favourite rooms. It never really used to be, but since having a good declutter and getting all of the spring decor out, I just love how it looks now. So I definitely need to put the washing up away to help it stay looking decluttered, because I just love the minimalistic look, and having my whole side cleared off now just really transformed the room. If you missed any of my spring cleaning, decluttering or decorate with me, I'll have them linked in the eye at the top for you so you can go back and give it a watch and see how I decorated this year. But it just feels so much better having the sun finally shining through the window.
There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause
I think this is the tidiest my front room has been in a very long time, so I'm just going to go in, sort out some of the throw blankets and cushions and everything, get rid of some rubbish and just do the general tidying up. Like I said, it's really not too bad, it's just looking a little bit dishevelled, so I'm going to go in, give it a dust and a hoover and just get it nice and put together, ready for the day.
I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building
Thank you so much for watching today's whole house clean with me. I really hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you did, and also let me know down in the comments what you got ticked off of your to-do list, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds.